nice extension to the swearing room. Extra 3 meters length. All this space. I'll get it all closed in, stop all that bloody rain coming in. The damp proofing. Be much better. I'll have the space here, this will be cleared, so this will be a nice space for a ramp and just to get around the bikes to work properly. It's been long awaited, this has. But thanks to a friend of mine who had 11 lengths of 4x2 timber, 4.8 metre lengths they were. So they cost me nothing. I think I've spent about 100 quid on boards, screws and other bits and pieces. Need another board. Finish that and then I've got enough offcuts there to sort that end out and insulate it a bit. And the bonus of having a Sparky for a neighbour, he's got me them 2 nice lights, which are also they've got like a motion sensor, so as you come in the shed they'll just come on. Beautiful. What more can a man ask for the swearing room, eh? Fucking lovely.